is focus on the water line. Okay, how is the water line tied into the equipment? Because obviously what we're striving for is our ultimate goal, is protecting the potable water, especially from cross connections and any potential backflow conditions that could occur. So that's the ultimate goal there. So these are just some of the basic things I just wanted to go over on that. Now to focus more on what we are looking at today, which is the food processing and service facilities. So this could be plant, could be some of the food service facilities and things like that. You know, where do you start in regards to all the different food processing facilities that are out there? One of the things that is helpful is that if you look at our manual, the USC 10th edition manual, we do have a chapter that relates to that, to facilities. So there is the chapter 6 of the manual talks about some typical facilities that you may encounter: service, manufacturing, food processing, medical, restricted, you know, other kinds of facilities that are referenced there. And you can see I have a double asterisk. This is a representative, not all inclusive, because one of the things that you'll find is that some of these facilities may fall into a couple of these categories. It may not just be one that fits it all. Or at the same time, you have the other extreme that, yeah, you know, the facility you're looking at falls exactly onto one of these categories. So just be a little flexible. You know, we always mention to everybody that chapter 6 is more to provide guidance, just so you get a better feel of what things are out there for the different facilities, what kind of water usages, what kind of systems there are. Key thing we always say is, you know, base it on your survey or your inspection of what kind of protection is needed. So in regards specifically to that chapter 6, it does talk about food processing and service, and some of the typical facilities that are mentioned include the bakery, the beverage manufacturing, bottling, a brewery, cannery, a dairy, frozen food processing plant, packing house, restaurants, and slaughterhouse. And you kind of go, whoa, there sure is a bunch of categories here just under that food processing. And again, this is a guidance, some of the things that you may encounter. So basically, just to give you an idea, bakery, you know, a bakery is one, as you know, we're familiar with this, is a facility that does produce or sells, you know, baked goods, things like cookies, cakes, pastries, and pies. So you know that there's a lot of baking and so forth, but at the same time, there is a lot of water use in regards to those facilities. Another facility is the beverage manufacturing and bottling companies. These are the ones that produce different drinks. Typically, they produce the ready-made drinks kind of thing. So things like, you know, Coca-Cola, Pepsi, some of the juices, different things that are out there relate to these beverage manufacturing and also the bottling facilities that they have in there. Breweries, again, breweries are one that makes, sells, or produces beer. Even you can kind of put wineries under that make or produce wines and so forth. You know, this is one that's a little more complex because you guys know out there, there's the big brewery plants, but there's also a lot of restaurants that have microbreweries. So they have a mini brewing facility, even with the restaurant. So again, it's not just a big brewery plant that we're looking at. It may be some of the smaller microbreweries that are within a facility, within a restaurant, and those kinds of things.